Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, if you use this face wash even once, I guarantee you'll completely forget about your old face wash. This will not only exfoliate your skin but also remove dirt, pollution and impurities. At the same time, it will brighten your complexion. Your face will feel fairer and fresher. Honestly, I don't think you can find a better face wash. For cleansing, you often buy expensive face wash or soaps thinking they will deeply clean your skin. But the truth is, no soap or face wash actually cleans beyond the surface. The dirt and pollution stuck inside the pores stay there. That's why you face problems like pimples, acne, blackheads, whiteheads and dull dark skin. Now imagine what if I told you that with just ₹15 you can prepare a cleanser face wash at home that will pull out dirt from the deep layers of your pores, remove tanning, brighten your skin, and all this without damaging the skin's natural oils. It will remove excess oil but keep the natural glow intact. Your face will look fresh, spots will gradually lighten. So let's not waste more time and see how to prepare this magical face wash. For this we need 4 to 5 spoons of gram flour. In ancient times there were no face wash or soap, so queens and princes used gram flour for skincare. It's a natural cleanser, exfoliator, helps cure pimples and acne gradually. It removes excess oil and keeps the face fresh. Then you need 2 spoons of multani mitti, also known as fuller's earth. If your skin is tanned or dark, multani mitti will remove it. It also works on pimples and is one of the best natural ingredients for skin whitening. With regular use, skin becomes fair and bright. 2 spoons of rice flour. If rice flour isn't available, you can use coffee powder or milk powder. Rice is widely used in skincare and is famous for flawless skin. It prevents fine lines and wrinkles, makes skin glowing and tight. Then you need 1 spoon of kasturi turmeric. If you don't have pure kasturi turmeric, you can use pure or fresh turmeric. Turmeric is antibacterial, removes pimples and helps in skin whitening. Mix all the ingredients and make a powder. Store it in an airtight container. It won't spoil and can be used twice daily without side effects. Now let's see how to use it. Take 1 spoon of the powder in a bowl. Add normal water to make a paste. You can also add milk or yogurt. Massage it on your face for 1 minute and wash it off. You can also use it like an uptan for the whole body. Even if you use it once a week, it will remove tanning and dead skin, making your body glow. After face wash, don't forget to apply moisturizer. Aloe vera gel works best. Every time you use it, apply moisturizer afterwards. So friends, prepare this natural face pack today and start using it. Just 1 or 2 minutes daily and you will see the results. Your skin will become bright, glowing and spotless. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. I'll see you in the next video with more new tips.